A very, very powerful, sacred, and very, very cheerful Friday. Shukravasaraha, the week of the day, the weekday of the week which is dedicated to Jagannmata, Jagat Janani. Paramatma is Sarva Tantra Swatantra. So he can take form, Paramatma can take any form at any time. Till Thursday he can make us read the Srimad Bhagavata Mahapuranam and then eulogize, make us hear the glory, sing the glory in the form of Bhagavan Vishnu Narayana. And he chooses Friday, he wants his glory, Paramatma's glory bit to be sung in the form of Jagadamba Mata. So let us once again continue the Devi Mahatmyam, Devi Bhagavat Mahatmyam. We are in the page number 23, the second chapter of the Devi Mahatmyam. Rishayah Uchuhu Vasudevo Mahabhagah Katham putramavaptavan Prasenah kutra krishnena Brahmatanveshitah katham You remember that in Naimisharanya all the sages have now assembled, congregated there. And in the previous prasanga where the Devi Bhagavata Mahatmyam, Purana Mahat was going on, there was an indication that even Vasudeva, the father of Bhagavan Sri Krishna, also got back Sri Krishna because of Devi Bhagavata only. So that was the prasanga. So now the rishis are very, very keen to know how did that happen? How did Vasudeva, the father of Sri Krishna, get back his son? Why don't you explain that to us? Vidhina kena kasmacha Devi Bhagavatam Shrutam Vasudevena Sumate Suta Vadasuta Kathamimam One more point to be remembered is there was a Raja called as Satrajit and then his brother Prasena. Prasena was lost in the jungle and Sri Krishna had gone in search of him. That the details of the story are going to come now. There was an indication that Sri Krishna had gone in search of Prasena and he did not come back for a long time. So Vasudeva had to once again propitiate Devi in order to get back Sri Krishna. So that Prasena is mentioned there. Now, Vidhina kena kasmacha, how, in what manner was Devi Bhagavatam heard by everybody? And Vasudevena sumate vadasuta kathamimam, how did Vasudeva conduct the Devi Bhagavata discourse or the event? And then, O Suta Rishi, please tell us all these things. Suta uvacha Satrajit Bhojavamshiyo Dvaravatyam Sukham Vasan Suryasyaradhane yukto Bhaktascha paramasakha that is Suta Uvacha. Suta Rishi is telling all those people, there was a king called Satrajit, born in the line of the Bhoja Raja. Dwaravatyam Sukham Vasan, he was living happily in the town of Dwaraka. Suryasya Aradhane Yukto, and he was very much deeply worshipping Lord Surya, and he was a very great devotee and also friend of all people. अथ कालेन कियता प्रसन्नः सविताभवत् स्वलोकं दर्शयामास तद्भक्त्या प्रणयेन च. Now Bhagavan Surya became happy, was pleased with the puja and the worship of Satrajit Maharaj, and then he gave and called Satrajit. He said, come along with me. He took him along and showed him the Surya Loka itself. He went and showed him the Surya Loka. For example, the solar system. Somebody takes us to Mars also. For example, Mars, Mercury, and all these places. That is the Saura Mandalam. He showed him entire Surya Loka and then brought him back. Tasmai Pritascha Bhagavan Syamantaka-manim dadau Satam Bibran-manim kanthe Dwarakama jagamaha. For example, Satrajit Maharaj went for tapasya to the jungle. There he sat down and performed the tapasya, worship of Lord Surya. Lord Surya appeared before him. He was pleased with his devotion. He took him to Surya Loka, showed him entire Surya Loka, and then gave him a gift also. See, wonderful gift he has given. The name of the gift is Syamantaka Mani. That Syamantaka Mani is a wonderful, very beautiful jewel. So he got that jewel, Satrajit got that jewel. He put on that jewel he adorned it himself with that jewel and came back to Dwarkapuri. Drishtva tam tejasa bhranta Matvadityam Puraukasaha Krishnamuchuh samabhyetya Sudharmayamavasthitam So the people of the town of Dwarka, they saw this Raja Satrajit coming. He's just entering the town, and it appears as though another sun is coming. Another entire new sun is coming to the town. So much brightness on his body, glowing like anything. So all the people went. Naturally, Krishna was quite important there. They went and told Krishna, who was engaged in his own duties. They went and told him that Raja Satrajit is coming. Another sun is coming. They went and told him that another sun is coming. Esha ayati savita Didrukshustvam jagatpate Shrutva krishnastu tadvacham Prahasyo vacha samsadi. People said, here sun is coming. One more, the sun itself is coming to have your darshan. They told Krishna. So Krishna just smiled and said, that is not the truth. He told them, Savita naisha bho bala Satrajit manina jwalan Syamantakena chayati Bhasvatdattena bhasvata. So Krishna told them, this is not the sun coming, this is Satrajit Maharaja who is wearing the Samantaka Mani. It is given by Lord Surya himself, so it is glowing so much, so beautifully. Atha vipran samahuya Swasti vachana purvakam Praveshyat samabhyarcha Satrajit Swagrihe Manim. Such a wonderful gift he has received from Lord Surya. So he very, very systematically, scripturally, he performed puja for that money through priests and then Swasti Vachanam, and then he slowly took the money to his house. Na tatra mari durbhiksham.
Na tatra mari durbhiksham.
Nopasarga bhayam kvachit.
Nopasarga bhayam kvachit.
Yatraste samanir nityam.
Yatraste samanir nityam.
Ashtabhara suvarnadaha.
Ashtabhara suvarnadaha.
Where that jewel remained, there was no pestilence, famine, nor any fear from any pandemic or epidemic. No corona fear also there. That jewel gave daily gold weighing 8 bharas, 8 measures of gold. Because the jewel was there, automatically gold used to come from there. And then there was not any type of difficulty in that city or in that country that time. अथ सत्राजितो भ्राता.
अथ सत्राजितो भ्राता.
प्रसेनो नाम कर्हिचित्.
प्रसेनो नाम कर्हिचित्.
कंठे बद्ध्वा मणिं सद्यो.
कंठे बद्ध्वा मणिं सद्यो.
हयमारुह्य सैन्धवम्.
हयमारुह्य सैन्धवम्.
मृगयार्थं वनं यातः.
मृगयार्थं वनं यातः.
तमद्राक्षीन् मृगाधिपः.
तमद्राक्षीन् मृगाधिपः.
प्रसेनं सहयं हत्वा.
प्रसेनं सहयं बद्ध्वा.
सिंहो जग्राहते मणिम्.
सिंहो जग्राहते मणिम्.
One day, Prasena, Satrajit's brother, went to the forest, climbing a horse, wearing that jewel on his neck for hunting. So Satrajit had a brother, elder brother, his name was Prasena. Naturally, brothers will share their jewels. So he took the jewel, put it on his neck, and then went for hunting. A lion saw Prasena and it killed him and his horse and took away that jewel. So lion saw him and then it killed Prasena Raja and took away the jewel. जाम्बवान् वृक्षराजोऽथ.
जाम्बवान् वृक्षराजोऽथ.
दृष्ट्वा मणिधरं हरिं.
दृष्ट्वा मणिधरं हरिं.
हत्वा च तं बिलद्वारी.
हत्वा च तं बिलद्वारी.
मणिं जग्राह वीर्यवान्.
मणिं जग्राह वीर्यवान्.
There was a mighty bear, the lord of all the bears, called Jambavan. He saw that lion carrying the jewel, so he fought with the lion, killed the lion and took away the jewel and went away. Satam manim swaputraya.
Satam manim swaputraya.
Kridanartham adat prabhu.
Kridanartham agat prabhu.
Athachikrida balopi.
Athachikrida balopi.
Manim samprapya bhaswaram.
Manim samprapya bhaswaram.
So Jambavan killed the lion, took the jewel and then gave it to his son. Tiny bear, not teddy bear, but small bear. So he gave it to the bear and the bear was playing with the jewel. Prasene nagate chatha.
Prasena nagate chatha.
Satrajit paryatapyata.
Satrajit paryatapyata.
Na jane kena nihataha.
Na jane kena nihataha.
Praseno manimichchata.
Praseno manimichchata.
So Satrajit is now worried that his brother has not come back. I do not know who has killed him and taken away the jewel. So they are all worrying. Not only Satrajit Maharaj, definitely the people in the Dwarka were all worrying about this. Atha lokamukhodgirna.
Atha lokamukhodgirna.
Kim vadanti puro bhavat.
Kim vadanti puro bhavat.
Krishnena nihato nunam.
Krishnena nihato
Praseno Manilipsuna.
Praseno Manilipsuna.
This is the most beautiful part of the entire episode. Even God also can be accused. So now people are all talking and slowly rumors spread. Because, when Satrajit actually came back with the money, the first person who saw it was Sri Krishna. So Sri Krishna must have stolen the jewel from Prasena, killed him and stolen it. No, there is a rumor, there is an allegation against Krishna that he has stolen the jewel. Satam Shushrava Krishnopi
Shatam Shushrava Krishnopi
Duryasho Liptamatmani
Duryasho Liptamatmani
Marshtum Tattasya Padavim
Ashtum Tattasya Padavim
Puraukobhi Sahagamat.
Purakobhissamagamat.
Hearing this, Krishna said, now, if I leave it like this only, then the situation will be very bad. So I have to now remove this false allegation against me. So he called some of the people who were still friendly with him. And he took them all and then went to the forest in search of Prasena. Gatva sa vipine pashyat
Gatva sa vipine pashyat
Prasenam harinahatam
Prasenam harinahatam
Yayau mrugendram anvishyan
Yayo mrugendram anvishyan
Asrig bindvakitadvana.
Asrag bindvakitam.
He saw Prasena killed by the lion in the forest. He went in search of the lion by the way marked by drops of blood. So now when he had to find Prasena Maharaj, and how does he know where Prasena might have gone? So he went on looking at the drops of blood which had fallen there. Not only that, he found Prasena, but he didn't find the lion. So he slowly went on, continued walk like this. Then he found some drops of blood of the lion also. So he followed the drops of blood. Atha Krishno hatam simham
Hata Krishno hatam simham
Biladvari vilokyacha
Vilabdvari vilokyacha
Uvacha bhagavan vacham
Uvacha bhagavan vacham
Kripaya puravasinaha.
Kripaya puravasinaha.
Now Krishna followed the drops of blood stains. And as he was going, the stains led him to a den, to a cave, to the entrance of a cave. So he told the people of the city, then he saw the dead lion there lying at the mouth of the den, and he told the people of the city, Tishtadhvam Yuyamatraiva
Tishtadvam yuyavatraiva
Yavadagamanam mama
Yavadagamanam mama
Pravishami bilam tvetan
Pravishami bilam tvetan
Manihara kalabdhaye.
Manihara kalabdaye.
You people stay here till my return. I am entering this den for catching the thief of the jewel. Because the lion was lying at the entrance of the den. So Krishna now he is understood that somebody has brought the lion up to here and taken away the jewel from it. Tatetyuktva tu te tasthuh
Tatetyuktva tu te tasthuh
Tatraiva dvara kaukasah
Tatraiva dvara kaukasah
Jagamanta bilam Krishno
Jagamanta bilam Krishno
Yatra jambavato griham.
Yatra jambavato griham.
So the people of Dwarka said, okay Krishna, you go. We will all stand here. So slowly Krishna has entered the den. Have you ever entered a den? A den is like a cave, only small, much smaller than a cave. Entrance will be small, but inside it will be very big, cozy, because the animals want to make their home inside the den. So Krishna entered the den. Rik वृक्षराजसुतं दृष्ट्वा
वृक्षराजसुतं दृष्ट्वा
कृष्णो मणिधरं तदा
कृष्णो मणिधरं तदा
हर्तुमिच्छन् मणिं तावद्
हर्तुमिच्छन्मणिं तावद्
धात्री चुक्रोशभीतवत्.
रात्रिचुक्रोधभीतवत्.
The moment Krishna entered the den, he saw a small cub, bear cub, the son of Jambavan, playing there with the Samantaka Mani. So he immediately slowly went there, and without making himself known, he wanted to take away the money from the bear. Why unnecessarily get into a conversation? Silently take the money and go away. But the lady nurse was there. That is also a bear only, a bearess. So the lady nurse was there. She saw Krishna trying to take away, and then she shouted loudly, Shrutva Dhatri Ravam Sadyah
त्वादात्रीरवं सद्यः
Samagatyarksharat Tada
समागत्यक्षरात् तदा
Yuyudhe Swamina Sakam
युयदे स्वामिना साकम्
Avishramamaharnisham.
अविश्रममहर्निशम्.
This is another beautiful episode where Jambavan and Sri Krishna are fighting each other. Jambavan, the same Jambavan only, who was there in the Treta Yuga. This is the Dwapar Yuga. The same Jambavan who was there in the Treta Yuga, who had helped Sri Rama. Now he is having a fight with Sri Krishna. So this fight went on and went on and went on. Number of days it's going on. Evam Trinavaratram tu
एवं त्रिनवरात्रं तु
Mahadyudham Abhutayoh
महद्युद्धम् अभूतयोः
Krishnagamam Pratikshantah
कृष्णागमं प्रतीक्षन्त
Tasthurdhvari Puri Puraukasah.
तस्तुद्वारी पुरोगसः.
3 Navaratris have passed. The entire duel between them, the fight between Krishna and Jambavan has taken 27 days. They are fighting with each other. So the people who were standing outside the den, they were getting restless. They are becoming restless now, the people. Dvadashaham tato bhitya
द्वादशाहं ततो भीत्या
pratijagmur munijala pratijagmur nijalayam
प्रतिजग्मुर्निजालयम्
tatra te kathayamasur
तत्र ते कथयामासुर्
vrittantam sarvamaditah.
वृत्तान्तं सर्वमादितः.
Out of the 27 days, the first 12 days only the people waited. Then what happened? They could not console themselves that Krishna has not come. They had to inform somebody. So what they did was they all went away, went back to their homes, and then completely described the episode as what had happened, what they saw. Satrajitam shapantaste
शत्राजितं शतं तस्ते
sarve shokakula bhrisham
सर्वे शोकाकुलाभृशम्.
Vasudevo Mahabhagah
वसुदेवो महाभागः
Shrutva Putrasya Tam Katham.
श्रुत्वा पुत्रस्य तां कथाम्.
So now the people of the Dwarka, they are all very sad for Krishna. So they started cursing Satrajit. Because you are the one who caused this. Definitely Krishna would not have done this one. You simply unnecessarily made him, you put an allegation against him. And then they were all very, very sad. So they went, and when Vasudeva, the father of Sri Krishna, heard this, he was also very, very sad. Mumoha saparivarah
मोह सपरिवारः
tada paramaya shucha
तदा परमयाशु च
chintayamasa bahudha
चिन्तयामास बहुधा
katham shreyo bhaven mama.
कथं श्रेयो भवेन्मम.
So Vasudeva is now thinking very deeply, very, very sad. How shall I now bring back Krishna? I don't find any solution. Atha jagama bhagavan
अथा जगाम भगवान्
देवर्षिर्ब्रह्मलोकतः
देवर्षिर्ब्रह्मलोकतः
उत्थाय तं प्रणम्यासौ
उत्थाय तं प्रणम्यासो
वसुदेवोऽभ्यपूजयत्.
वसुदेवोऽभ्यपूजयत्.
Just when he was brooding over how to bring back Krishna, Bhagavan Sri Narada Rishi appeared there. Narada Rishi has come there. Narado namayam prishtva
नारदो नामयं पृष्ट्वा
Vasudevam Mahamatim
वसुदेवं महामतिम्
Papracha cha yadushreshtham
पप्रच्छद यदुश्रेष्ठं
Kim chintayasi tadvada.
चिन्तयसि तद्वद.
So Vasudeva, according to the tradition, he performed puja to the feet of Narada Rishi. Then he was sad, so Narada Rishi could make out that he was sad. He asked, what happened? Why are you are a Yadupati, you are the one of the chieftains of Yadukula. Why are you so sad? Vasudeva uvacha
वसुदेव उवाच
putro meti priya Krishna
पुत्रो मेति प्रियः कृष्ण
prasenanveshanayatu
प्रशेनान्वेषणाय तु
paurai sakam vanam gatva
पौरैः साकं वनं गत्वा
nihatam tam tadaikshata.
निहतं तं तरेक्षत.
So Vasudeva said, Krishna, my dear son, went in search of Prasena along with the people of the city and saw him killed. They saw that Prasena was killed. Prasena ghatakam drishtva
प्रसेनघातकं दृष्ट्वा
biladvare mritam harim
बिलद्वारे मृतं हरिम्
dvari pauranadhisthaya
वारिपुराधिष्ठाय
bilantargatavan swayam
बिलान्तर्गतवान् स्वयम्
bahavo divasayata
बहवो दिवसायाता
नायात्यद्यापि मे सुतः
नायात्यद्यापि मे सुतः
अतः शोचामि तद्ब्रूहि
अतः शोचामि तद्ब्रूहि
येन लप्स्ये सुतं मुने.
येन लप्स्ये सुतं मुने.
At the mouth of the den, they saw the lion dead, which had killed Prasena. At the door, he made the people wait and himself went inside the den. Many days have passed, my son is not returning till now, so I am very, very sad. Tell me that by which I will get back my son, O sage Narada. Narada uvacha
नारद उवाच
putra praptyai yadushrestha
पुत्रप्राप्ति यदुश्रेष्ठ
devi maradhayambikam
देवी आराधयाम्बिका
tasya aradhanenaiva
तस्याराधनेनैव
sadya shreyo hyavapsyasi.
श्रेयोऽप्यवास्यसि.
Narada Rishi said, O Narada, O great among Yadus, worship Mother Goddess Ambika Devi. For the sake of getting back your son, you will get auspiciousness by worshipping her immediately. Vasudeva uvacha
वसुदेव उवाच
Bhagavan kahi sa devi
भगवन् काहि सा देवी
kim prabhava maheshwari
किं प्रभावा महेश्वरी
kathamaradhanam tasya
कथमाराधनं तस्य
devarshe kripaya vada.
देवर्षे कृपया वद.
Vasudeva said, O Rishi, O Lord, who is that great goddess? What is the nature of her power? What is the procedure of her worship? O divine sage, kindly tell me. Durga Lakshmi Saraswati Devi Jagannmata
लक्ष्मी सरस्वती देवी जगन्माता
Durga Lakshmi Saraswati Devi Jagannmata
दुर्गा लक्ष्मी सरस्वती देवी जगन्माता
Devi जगन्माता मां पाहि जगन्माता
देवी जगन्माता मां पाहि जगन्माता
देवी जगन्माता मां पाहि जगन्माता
देवी जगन्माता मां पाहि जगन्माता
पाहि 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 जगन्माता मां पाहि जगन्माता
अम्ब जगन्माता जगदम्ब जगन्माता
अम्ब जगन्माता जगदम्ब जगन्माता
अम्ब जगन्माता जगदम्ब जगन्माता
अम्ब जगन्माता जगदम्ब जगन्माता
पाहि जगन्माता मां पाहि 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 जगन्माता
दुर्गा लक्ष्मी सरस्वती देवी जगन्माता
दुर्गा लक्ष्मी सरस्वती देवी जगन्माता
राजराजेश्वरी माता की
जय
ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति
शान्ति
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्